you're dealing with proportions such as ratio, you have a superpower. You can change the numbers, the ratio, by multiplying both sides, the left and right side, by the same number. For example, 1:2. You can change it to 2:4 by multiplying both sides by the same number. For fraction as well, 1/2, you can times it by, let's say, 3. Okay, to make it 3/6. So the question would be, why do we want to do it? Why don't just leave it in the simplest form? We do it so that we can link two proportions together. Okay, when something is unchanged, we can make it the same so that we can compare two ratios together. Alright, so for example, Amy, Ben, and Chelsea shared some money. The ratio of Amy's money to Ben's money is 1:2. Therefore, we're just going to write the ratio down. Amy is to Ben, 1:2. The ratio of Ben's money to Chelsea's money is 3:4. Right, so Ben appears in both ratio, and therefore Ben is a repeated identity. Alright, repeated identity means you appear in two ratios. Okay, you can see that Ben is different units in both ratio. In the ratio with Andy, it is 2 units. With the ratio with Chelsea, it is 3 units. Okay, so you can make them the same. Because it's supposed to be the same. Ben's money is the same amount. Right? Because it's simplified in a different way, it becomes a different amount, but you can actually make them the same amount. Alright, so now once you have Ben made the same, you can write down, combine the ratio already. Okay, so this is the ratio between Andy to Ben to Chelsea. 3:6:8. Okay, I can draw a model to represent the ratio. Alright, Andy is 1 unit, Ben is 2 units. Because Ben is the same portion over here, so that Ben is 3 units here, and Chelsea is 4 units here. Okay, so this is the model where Ben is repeated, and the 2 units for Ben in compared to A is actually the 3 units compared to C. So you can cut them to the lowest common multiple of 2 and 3, which is 6. So for the models above, you cut them each into 3. For the models below, you cut them each into 2. Alright, so you have 3 units here, 6 units for Ben, 8 units for Chelsea. Alright, that is the model representation of this ratio.